All right, I've been successful so far. Putting these tips on. Not too bad, not too bad. Now I do some of this shit straight. All right, here's the test. Let's see if I did it right. Yellow. Yellow. So I think the curtain idea, cover it, it's a good idea. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hang it. And the sides.
Seems more annoyed than anything else, and I love the overall demeanor that Goku has because he kind of goes on to tell Granola, hey, I'm still in this fight, don't really count me out just yet. But what I think I really enjoy